For over 25 years, whenever we had a question, we opened Google. It became the default starting point for human inquiry. But right now, millions of people are walking away from the biggest website on Earth. They're asking if the very concept of a search engine is becoming obsolete. To understand why, look at how we've been forced to talk to the web. For decades, we had to strip our complex thoughts into fragmented keywords just to help a machine understand us. That created a massive amount of friction. You open 10 different tabs, scroll past ads, and hunt through dozens of websites just to piece together a single answer. We accepted this process because the internet was built to be a directory, a collection of addresses, not a provider of answers. That interaction model is changing. Instead of the old keyword strings, many people are now starting with natural, conversational questions. They are bypassing the search engine and going directly to AI assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. Rather than searching for travel blogs, they tell the AI to plan a 5-day trip to Japan. Instead of looking for textbooks, they ask it to explain quantum physics to a 10-year-old. Within seconds, the AI synthesizes a final answer. There are no blue links to click, and no scrolling is required. By removing the need to visit multiple websites, these tools are siphoning users out of the traditional web ecosystem and threatening Google's core business model. This logic model shows the mechanical difference between the two systems. On the left is the architecture of the traditional web. A single query fractures into separate pathways, forcing you to do the work of chasing down scattered nodes of information. On the right, we see the AI model. For conceptual tasks, like writing code or brainstorming a project, data points from across the web converge into a single block. The machine does the assembly for you. This direct synthesis removes the need for middleman websites or content farms. The distance between the question and the result disappears. When a task requires this kind of mental assembly, a traditional search engine is simply the wrong tool for the job. If AI is so efficient, is Google actually finished? To answer that, we have to look at the utility divide, the line where synthesis fails. Large language models are locked boxes of historical training data. They lack a live, real-time connection to the physical world as it exists this second. If you need breaking news, a map for a road trip, or the current hours for a local business, traditional search remains the only reliable source. Tasks involving physical commerce, like shopping for a specific product or verifying an official government domain, require a live index. You need a primary source, not a summarized probability. These two architectures are built for different human needs. One maps the physical world, while the other processes the conceptual one. Google is currently hacking its own product to bridge this gap. They are injecting AI-generated summaries directly at the top of their traditional search results to catch users before they leave. They are also spending billions on their own proprietary models to ensure their synthesis capabilities match the new challengers. Google is effectively cannibalizing its own link-based ecosystem to ensure it survives in an era where links matter less. The tension between these two models points toward a new kind of internet. In this hybrid architecture, Google's live real-world index merges with the processing power of a neural network. It connects the live web with conceptual synthesis. Dominance no longer belongs to the company with the largest directory of addresses. The winner will be whoever delivers a verified answer with the least amount of friction. We are moving away from an internet of destinations and toward an internet of immediate results. Think about your own habits over the last month. Are you still hunting through links on Google, or are you going straight to the AI? Let me know in the comments.